Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natalie, and in my today's video I want to share with you guys some of my favorite plants that tolerate low light. They are Calatheas. There are many plants used for indoor decorating and indoor landscaping purposes. They brighten in offices, lobbies, meeting rooms and other interior areas. It is a type of a plant that prefer indirect lighting that makes them perfect for interior usage. Also, Calatheas are very easy to care for and they are beautiful. Also, they are famous for their wide, big, beautiful, colorful leaves. In nature, they are found in jungles at the base of trees. Calathea plants need bright but not direct sunlight to grow. This is because they grow on the floor of the jungles and forests where they get limited light through the top of the trees. In fact, direct sunlight will burn the leaves of a Calathea plant and cause it to lose its vibrant colors. Calathea like to have moist but not soggy soil. They do not want lots of water as it can drown them. Calathea plants are from tropical areas of the planet and they prefer temperatures between 17 to 27 degrees. Also, they prefer humid areas. They can absorb moisture through the air via wide-green leaves. Also, the great news about the Calathea is that plant doesn't need pruning, other than the removal of brown or yellowed leaves. Now let's talk about how to care about Calathea. First of all, I want to start from lighting. I think it's the most important aspect when we talk about a Calathea. The best conditions for Calatheas are bright and indirect light. Also, they prefer medium, sometimes even low light. Right now, I keep my Calatheas in the center of my rooms because I noticed they don't like to be in bright indirect light, so they prefer medium, sometimes even low light. Direct light dries the leaves almost instantly. To keep their variegation, these guys need a decent amount of light, but too much lighting will cause them to fade. So remember, never put your Calatheas on a direct sunlight. And now let's talk about watering. And this is the trickiest part when talking about Calatheas, because there is no piece of advice I can give you about how to water a Calathea. Everything depends on the temperature that you have in your home and the humidity level. Your Calathea may need to have water every day or every week. The biggest thing to remember, never let your Calatheas dry out. They like to be kept moist. For instance, I water my Calatheas when soil is 70% dry, and I never let my soil dry out completely between waterings. But the main thing is you need to figure out what is the right balance and when to water your plants. And also, I would strongly recommend for watering use filtered or distilled water, because Calathea plants are very sensitive to that chemicals that are found in the water. It may cause your leaves or the edges of the leaves get brown. Now let's talking about fertilizer. Feed your plant monthly in spring, summer and fall with a good balanced plant food. Don't feed a plant when it's not growing. Use a good light porous indoor potting soil that retains water but still drains quickly. African violet soil works well. Don't forget that a Calathea plant rarely needs repotting, so do not repot a plant if there is no need. Calathea plants are propagated by plant division, but it's a little bit difficult, so you have to do it very gently and very carefully without damaging a plant and their root. Also, cut off brown or cripsy Calathea leaves as soon as they appear. Now let's come closer and see which types of Calatheas I have in my collection. The first one is Calathea leopardea. I bought it recently, and actually I bought two of these plants because I love them so much, and maybe one day when they become bigger I will plant them two in one pot. Why not? I love this plant. Bright green leaves decorated with deeper green patterned markings reminiscent of an animal print stand out from the plant on strong upright stems, creating a well-shaped pretty plant. The next one is Calathea rufibarba. Has its wavy beautiful leaves on it. I also bought this plant recently. This shrub is a little bit small right now, but one day it will become a big beautiful shrub, why not? I love this one as well. This one is a little bit sensitive to drying out. You have to keep an eye on this plant because when it dries out, the plant drops, the leaves fall down, like it tells you that it needs water. The next one is Calathea white star. This one is my favorite because it's so gorgeous. Beautiful leaves, beautiful markings. One of those gorgeous Calatheas that you can't walk away from when you see it in a shop or a nursery. It's hard to find it, but I'm lucky. I found it and now I really care about it. This one has awesome striped white and pink leaves. My next Calathea is a Calathea medallion. It's so small right now. I also bought it recently. It has very beautiful leaves. It has large oval-shaped foliage with distinctive pink and white feather-shaped variegation on its emerald green leaves. The underside of each leaf exhibits a deep, rich burgundy hue. The medallion Calathea gets its name from the unique roundness of its leaves. Mine is so tiny and so small, but one day it will turn into a beautiful and gorgeous shrub. So that is pretty much it. Calatheas could be a bit high maintenance, but their foliage is so worth it. So yeah, if I missed something or if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Now, if you learned something new in today's video, if you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumb up. It really means a lot for me. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll talk to you soon. Bye!